Power delivery fast charging. Charge iPhone 13 and other iPhone devices. UGREEN USB C wall charger can reach up to 3x faster than with an original 5W charger. 2-pack 20W power supply station. Specially designed for iPhone, UGREEN USB C charger supports up to 20W power delivery to charge your new iPhone 13 from 0% to 58% just within 30 minutes. Smaller size, more power. 50% smaller than a standard 20W iPhone USB-C wall charger, which won't jam the other ports on the wall outlet. You'll have access to fast charging wherever you go. One for all. Perfectly fits the charging needs of iPhone 13, 13s mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12s mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. Also compatible with AirPods Pro, MagSafe Duo, iPhone 11, 11s Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, iPad Air, Galaxy S10, S9, Google Pixel, Nintendo Switch, LG G7, V50, and more. Comprehensive protection. With the intelligent chip inside, the PD wall charger matches the current as your device needs automatically, ensuring safety and protection for your devices. No matter how fast it charges, you won't have to worry about your phone heating up at all. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Works with iPhone 13 great. Charging fast.